You mentioned your father shaving your head earlier. He died of cancer, I believe, did he?
He did. My father died when he was 66.
Which is a young enough man.
Yes, he was very young, obviously. Because, I mean, there's not a family in Ireland that is not touched by cancer. Terrible to think that in all the money that's spent in the world, that we haven't spent more on cancer research, given that so many of us are dying of it, and it looks like it's going to increase. I mean, there's a friend of mine, one of my best friends at the moment. He's a small beginner than me. He's getting treated for it. I lost a fellow called Matt Crosby last year. The year before, he was 47 with 3 small kids. I am really disappointed in how it's dealt with, and sadly in this country, maybe so in others as well, but in this country in particular, too much good work is left to charities, and sometimes it seems to let the state off the hook. You take another area like suicide, which is Wexford is one of the highest counties in Ireland for suicide rate. We have all kinds of suicide organisations at the moment, but we don't have a proper state policy in addressing the issue. And likewise, there should be far more state investment in tackling cancer, given that health is probably the biggest concern of people in general.
Well, I don't think you're going to find anyone disagreeing with you on that. People all over the country over the last 6 years with the Shave Your Head campaign here in Today FM have contributed over €7.75 million through fantastic events, individual fundraisers, whatever, and that's why we're delighted that you would take the time to come in here and join us today and agree to having that hair of yours, the famous hair, dyed pink.